Right, we are on chapter 5 now. Now we will learn how to solve linear equation. Okay. Now, just now in the previous video, you learned expression and equation. But then how come suddenly I talk about solving linear equation? The reason is this. Can you write down? There is no way you can solve expression. There is no way you can solve expression. Maybe I start with a simple one, and since, okay, never mind. Okay, so let us talk about the steps to solve equation first. Then we come back to expression. Because just now we learned expression, right? Suddenly we talk about equation. So let's start. Chandel, can you read the first sentence? What are the steps to solve linear equation? By balancing the equation. Can you highlight the word balance? And I would like to talk about this balance here by drawing a balance beam. So can you all take out your artistic pen? Do you know what I'm trying to draw? Do you know what I'm trying to draw? Okay, I'm trying to draw a balance beam. Now, from now on, everyone will view this equal sign as a balance beam. Okay. Now, what do I put in this balance beam? I will put x plus 1. What do I put in this balance beam? I will put 3. Are they equal? They are equal, right? They are equal. Now, the next thing I want to do is what Chandel said. I want to group all the unknown. I want to group what? What did Chandel say? I want to group all the variable to what? One side. Then all the numbers to the other side. Are you absorbing this? Understand? Let's go to the balance beam again. The number, the alphabet on one side, A, on the one side already, on left side. My dear, but the number, 1 is here. 1 is here, right? So I want to group this number to the other side. So I need to use the balance idea. Both sides I must operate the same thing. So what can I do so that I can remove this 1? Minus 1. Can follow? Can follow, So therefore, what you do is, you take a pencil and then you write minus 1, minus 1. Question, what is 1 minus 1? 0, like no more. So the answer here is x. The other side, what is 3 minus 1? 2. Therefore, I hashtag here, exam, this is 2 marks. Easy?
Why you choose number 3? Then why you choose number 5?
Okay.
You can choose 3.
No. The beauty of this is you can choose all numbers. You can choose all alphabet. It doesn't need to be something like that. But I show you something like this first. Now, what I want you to understand from this is from this is, I want you to imagine there's a balance beam here, and every time you do something on the left side, what must you do? You do the same thing on the right side. I repeat, every time you do one thing on the left side, you will do the same thing on the right side. So I minus 1, minus 1. Can I plus 1, plus 1? Can I plus 1 on both sides? Yes. Can I times 2 on both sides? Yes. Something like that. Anyhow one, anyhow one. But the idea is, at the end, you must find 1x equals to what? 1a equals to what? 1b equals to what? That's what I want. Okay? Yes, but I don't want you to use guess and check. Now, when I look at this, I close my eyes, I also can know. 2 plus 1 equals 3. What is x? 2 lah. 2 plus 1 equals 3, right? But I don't want you to use guess and check, because later on, all the unknown is very creative. You have x squared, x cubed, 3x, 4x, root x, yeah, a lot of things. Alright, so I want you to get used to this method. Alright, let's start with the first one. How will you do this? X plus 9 equals to 10. I want to find what? X. So I want to get rid what? I want to get rid the 9. So what must I do? Both side. Both side. Both side. Minus 9. Alright. So can you write down? X plus 9 is equals to 10. Can you write down in pencil? Minus 9. Minus 9. So what do? I both side minus 9. Then you press your calculator. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then x is equals to 9. 1. X is equals to 1. Like that exam, 2 marks. Eating, understand? Okay. Second one, what will you do? Question, can I minus again? Can I minus 1/3, 1.3? Yes. How many of you say yes? Okay, good. I want everyone to take out a calculator. So calculator, stand up. Everyone take out a calculator. Everyone press this in calculator. Everyone press this in calculator. Minus 1.3 minus 1.3. What do you get? Minus 2.6. Do you get minus 2.6? Who never get must raise up hand. I come to you and show you how to punch the number in the calculator. Bless you. All get All get minus 2.6. Can you write down y equals to y minus 2.6 equals to, calculator again, max. Press 2.8 minus 1.3. Isaac will tell us the answer. What is 2.8 minus 1.3? Do you know this is wrong? Why? Now, what is the end result? My end result is I want to know y is equals to what? Am I correct? I look at my starting. My starting got y minus 1.3. Wow, that's a dead fly. Okay, this is minus 1.3. Now, after I do something, the number got get rid or not? Did I get rid of the number? No. The number even become bigger or smaller, right? There's another number here. So, did I accomplish what I want? No. So, I minus 1.3 is for fun. You understand? So, what is the correct one to do? Can you draw a line? And take out a green pen. And then write down the correction. Y minus 1.3 is equals to 2.8. What should I do instead? I should plus 1.3. Can you try in your calculator now? Can you try a calculator now? What is minus 1.3 plus 1.3? What is it? Minus 1.3 plus 1.3. 1 gets 0, 2 gets 0. The rest? Do you get a 0? Yes. Now, if you get 0 means I am able to write down y is equals to this. And what is 2.8 plus 1.3? And then this is my final answer. Do you see that you don't every time minus? Sometimes you plus. I repeat. Do you see that sometimes you plus instead of minus? Okay, good. Can you try the third example now? Okay, let's try the third example together. Ready? Am I too fast? Oh, can you cross this out, become C? Alright, let's study this together. Let's invite our next friend to help us, Xavier. Now, Xavier, 2x minus 5 is equals to 9. Are all the alphabet on one side already? Like x, right? Alone, right? So no more x already. Now, I have to slowly get rid of the number. Now, get rid number, every time I will get rid the number outside first. Okay? So if I write down the steps, can you help me to write down the steps? I will first get rid which one first? This one. Then I will get rid this one. Okay? So if I want to write the steps, I will get rid this, then I'll get rid this. Okay? So you can also write down, oh, first I must get rid 5. Do I want to get rid 5 or negative 5? Negative 5, Who say positive 5? No, Xavier, how do I get rid negative 5? Both must what? Plus 5. So can you take out a pencil now, and then you write down. This is a process. Soon enough, you don't have to write down the plus 5, no need. I will teach you how to skip it. But at the start, let's all write down plus 5 plus 5. Ahmad not here. Chandel called already. Anaga, what is minus 5 plus 5? 0. So can you write down the answer? 2x is equals to 9 plus 5. 14. Now, I am one step closer, but I want to find x. Divided by 2. Do you know why is it not minus 2? Because this is 2 what? 2 times x. So can you write down? Because it's 2 times x. So can you write down? This is 2 multiplied by x, or 2 times x. So you remind yourself, if it's multiply, you cannot just minus. So what must you do? How do I get rid of the 2, Sandel? Kylie? Kylie. How do I get rid of the 2 here if I cannot minus? Do I times 2? 2 times 2 give you what? 4. Cannot. I want to get 1. 1 divided by 2. So can you write down in your pencil? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So can you press your calculator? What is 2 divided by 2? 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, I have 1. The other side, press calculator. What is 14 divided by 2? 7. Now, do you know what this means? What does 7 means? Can I put the 7 back into this? Can everyone press a calculator now? 2 times 7. 2 times 7. Z. 2 times, are you pressing? 2 times 7 minus 5. Is it 9? I think this is correct. Is it 9? Can follow? Now let's try one more. What about this? So now I pause the video now. Now I pause the. So for Ahmad, look at your D. This is the answer. Work it out. Let's go to E. Now, E, for E, where the X? Is there one X on the left hand side? Yes, 2X. Is there X on the right hand side? Yes. So, first I need to group the X together. Can follow? Can follow? Now, so can you write down? What I want to do is I want to group the X together. Can you write down? Now, which one do you like? Do you like to move? Do you like to remove the 2x to the other side or the 3x to the other side? 3x to the other side. Okay, can you draw a line? Can I show you the preferred method first? So that if some of you lost, then I want you to do this method. Okay, do this method. Then there's a method here. Now this method is called, I want to remove the smaller number. Can you write this down? Jamie, written? No. Written? Yes. Ashley, written? Barry, written? Can I run over there and see? See, actor. Right already. Right already. Okay. Okay, start. Now, let's look at 2x and 3x. Remove smaller number. Not remove smaller number, wrong. Okay, so I change. I want to make the x positive. So what I do is I will take this and then I will take out my pencil and then I write minus 2x. Minus 2x. So that means I want to minus 2x on both sides. Now let me try. Jiajun, what is 2x minus 2x? 0. 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. Abhishek, what is 3x minus 2x? 1x. So can you write down? This is 1x. Plus 8. And Jiajun say 2x minus 2x is 0. So on this side only left with 7. Next, I want to group all the number together. So what can I do? Both sides must what? Harley? So I want to group the number together. Do you want to take both sides minus 7 or both sides minus 8? 7. Cannot. Why? If I minus 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. Here minus 7, 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 cannot let number and alphabet still on the same side. I want to group this to the other side, right? So I want to remove the 8. I want to remove the 8, right? So what must I do? Minus. Do I minus 8 or minus 7? Minus 8. Harley, can you try with me? What happens if I minus 8 here and minus 8 here? Harley, what is 8 minus 8? 8 minus 8 is 0, right? 0, no more, right? What is 7 minus 8? Minus 1. Therefore, I will have x is equals to negative 1. Harley, do you see that when I minus 8, the 8 disappear? When I minus 8, the 8 disappear. I remove the 8, right? I remove the 8. So therefore, the answer is this. Is this okay, everyone? But I have an alternative here. I have an alternative here. This alternative, I'll write down alternative. Which one is preferred? This is preferred. But can you do alternative? Yes, you can. Do you want me to show you alternative or don't show at all? Show show. Show alternative means I will make the x at the left hand side. I will make the x at the left hand side. Now let me try. I have 2x, I have 3x. Make x at left hand side means I want to remove the 3x on the right. So what do I do when I remove 3x on the right? What must I do on both sides? Dongyi, what must I do on both sides so that I can remove 3x? Minus 3x. So I write down. Can you help me write down in pencil the minus 3x, minus 3x? Now let's try. Zahira, what is 3x minus 3x? 0. So no more 3x, right? Stop talking. What is 2x minus 3x? Zahira? What is 2 minus 3 in calculator? Press calculator. Minus 1. So can you write down? This is minus 1. Okay, I have this already, right? Next, what do I do? Riskin, I have minus x. I have 7. I have 8. Which one do I want to remove? Do I want to remove 7 or do I want to remove 8? Remove 7. Remove. How to remove 7? Both sides must what? Minus 7. So I take my pencil and then I write minus 7. I'm doing it very slowly. So I hope after doing it, everyone is very clear. What is 8 minus 7? 1. Can I hashtag here? No. Reason? This is negative x. The question asks for positive x. So how do I change this to positive? Do you still remember if I have a bad person, I must multiply by a bad person minus multiply by minus will give you good. Will give you plus. So you have to remember minus times minus will give you plus, right? So both sides I must do something. What must I do? Both sides must times negative 1. Do you know what I'm writing? So that minus times minus will give you what? What is minus times minus? Darren, what is minus times minus? Plus. So this one will be plus x. What is 1 times minus 1? Minus 1. Question, is these two the same? Answer is yes. Now, if I call this method 1, I call this method 2, can you show me your finger? Which one do you prefer, method 1 or 2? 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Some fingers? 2. Okay. Okay, good. So if you don't understand this one, never mind. We all stick to this, okay? Okay? Can, huh? Now let's try. Since this is the one with all the different x's, let's do together. Huh? Now, first, I want to box up all the numbers. So I have 2x, I have minus 1, I have minus 2x, I have plus 1. Let's invite the next student to help us. Chandel, why are you talking? Like non-stop. Haris, can you tell us, do you want to remove the 2x or remove the negative 2x? Or not sure? Negative. Now, let's try whether he is correct or not. How do I remove negative 2x? Haris, what must I do on both sides? Plus 2x. Can you write down using your pencil? I want to plus 2x on both sides. Next person. Isaac call already, right? Call already. Jiajun call already. Xinjie, answer correct and sit down. What is minus 2x plus 2x? 0. What is 2x plus 2x? 4x. Sit down. So this one is actually 4x minus 1 is equals to 1. Who don't understand? Max, which one? Yeah. Is it because you don't know why 4x? 2x plus 2x is... You all understand. Good. Eating. I have 4x minus 1 equals to 1. Do I want to remove the 4 first or the minus 1 first? One. Correct. I want to remove the minus 1. How do I remove minus 1? Both sides must what? Plus 1. So both sides plus 1. Andres. Tired, stand up. Oh. Cannot. So 4x equals to, what is 1 plus 1? 2. Right, you see? I have 4x. I have 2. I want to get 1x. What must I do on both sides? Divide by 4. Press your calculator, everyone. 4 divide. Xinjie got to pretend to press. Xinjie pretend to press. What is 4 divided by 4? 1. What is 2 divided by 4? 0.5. So in exam, you write 0.5 correct. Or you write half also correct. My personal preference, I prefer fraction every time. Okay. In exam, this is 3 marks. Easy? Easy. Okay. Right, I pause the video now. Can you complete the rest of the worksheet? 60 for A. What must you do first? Minus 4. Minus 4. So 9x equals to 37. What must I do next? Divide by 9. So divide by 9, divide by 9. What do you get? 3. Okay? Okay. Next one. Kai Chi, what's the answer? Wei Ling, what's the answer? C. Huh? 3, Kai Chi? 3. Last one, Wei Ling. 3.05. 2.05. So strange. 1.1. Now let's look at this answer together. Okay, if you are not done with C, later you try. Now let's try D first. Wei Ling, what do I do with minus 1.9? Both sides must what? Plus 1.9. So can you write down plus 1.9? What is 6.3 plus 1.9? 8.2. Right? Now next, what do I do? Both sides must what? Divide by 4. Can you try to press your calculator? What is 8.2 divided by 4? 2.05. So now you understand why is it this answer? Many of you, when you do wrong, you will tell me, teacher, I careless. But my point here is, I want to teach you how to be careful. Okay? I'm going to go through the one more example. I'm going to stop the video here and the rest will be homework. So can I have everyone eyes here? I just need to borrow 1 minute of your time. 这行 see properly. First thing, see properly means face me. First thing, you need to expand. So how do I expand? Very simple. 2 times 4, what do you get? 8. 2 times 3, 6. Is this exactly the same as just now previously or the example? Yes. Can you do this as homework? Yes. Now, your homework will be until page 4. So do page 3 to page 4. This is due on 3rd of April. I want to see this on your notes. Take out your notes. Write on page 4. Write down, do page 3 to page 4. Show me your notes.
I underlined the.
And then write down due 3rd. Write down due 3rd of April. Everyone write down due 3rd of April. So that I know you know. So that all the actor and actress cannot tell me that I don't know leh. Okay, good. Right, class 10.